generation story. That's this epic.
The book was a bestseller. I loved it.
It's a gorgeous book, and the opportunity to bring that story to the cinematic screen was just a once-in-a-lifetime moment.
I admire her strength and determination to survive in that time. That's why I wanted to play this role.
When I was preparing for this role, I found out that I had a lot of similarities between Sanjay and me.
이거는 당신의 이야기이고 그리고 나의 이야기이고 우리 엄마와 여성의 일화이기라는 것.
누가 선자 씨에게 평생 살아온 고향을 떠나서 새로 시작하지 않는다면 그럴 수 있겠어요?
The greatest gift of this show was I got to spend so much time with Jin Ha, who plays Solomon. And he's one of the main heartbeats of the show.
Everything drew me to this project. It's incredibly personal. I have family who lived through the colonial era in Japan, who only spoke Japanese growing up. And so this story is deeply resonant with my own family's experience and heritage.
I wanted to join this show because I'm Korean-Japanese third generation.
저희 드라마의 이야기는 시대를 넘어서서 그리고 어떤 국가와 언어를 넘어서서 모두가 공감할 수 있는 이야기라고 생각을 했고요.